Due to the limited access on this site, we have had to engage a helicopter to carry out the demolition on this property. The physical demolition is carried out manually by Fru's Contracting. They have removed the heavy roof tiles and stripped the house down. They're loading it into bags, different certified bags for carrying the waste, and then the helicopter will transport the waste from this site in the certified bags, all encapsulated, all the way to the intersection of Dyers Pass Road, where it'll be loaded into hook bins, and Fru's Contracting will cart it up to the Build Recovery Park. The cost calculations we've come up with heli contracts and Fru's Contracting make this a very viable option for this type of demolition. These restricted access ones incur a huge amount of costs. We did one over the Christmas break. We had to carry the debris out down a 100-metre goat track, and the time involved and the labour involved is phenomenal, and it ruins the guys walking up and down a hill carrying that amount of weight. The red zone Port Hills properties, there's a lot of those with restricted access where you cannot get plant to. There's exclusion lines defined by the geotechnical engineers as to where you can physically have personnel or plant. We don't want to put any more weight on those cliff edges, just purely from a safety point of view. So those properties will definitely be looking at this as one of the options. But there's a lot of properties in the green zone areas that are still inhabited where we need another option. You just physically can't get cranes or big plant up some of these access points. It was looked on quite sceptically, but after these last few months of digging into it, it does have its benefits, and especially for these sorts of properties, they're right on the cliff edge and you can get clear access out over the sea away from residents. I mean, we'd still need to take into account the few houses in front of us and the neighbours around, but everyone here has been really accommodating, so I mean, the public are into it too, everyone wants to see it work.